We've been tasked with helping move this custom-made gun cabinet. So I thought I would do a video because the person who's going to put it back together, this might be very helpful for them. And if you were looking to make a custom gun cabinet, this may give you some ideas because it is a really nice one. So it's made with red oak. I did not make this. Let me be clear on that. I did not build this. Someone else did, and they did a great job. So what I'm going to do is, so it's red oak, and I'm not sure if I can get that bottom piece separated from the top. I hope so. I would like to think that they would be separate pieces. If I was building it, I know I would do that. So I have a feeling that they did that. And if you look inside here, you can see these screws right here. I don't feel any here. Oh, hold it. Yes, I do. One right here. I can feel one there. Yeah, and I can see there's some right here. You can see they used that little device to sink them in at an angle, and there's one over there. So yeah, now I do feel like it will come apart. It'll make it much easier to move and safer. The problem is the bulkier it is when you're trying to move it, the more chance of damage and everything else. Plus these glass doors. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to remove all the doors, pull all these shelves because they're just sitting in there. Maybe even could even pull these little holders here. Yeah, I'm going to pull them too because otherwise they're going to end up all over. They could just fall out at any point. So we'll pull all that, pull all the doors, pull those two doors. And there's two screws, so they're not, and there's no option. So like this glass door has to go here because I suppose you could flip it and try to put it there. But as long as we do the video so we know that the locks are above this bar here, then that tells us where the doors go. Those two could get flipped, so maybe I put a little mark on the inside which one is which. Or just from this video, we can see that this one right here has this unique design. None of the others have that. So that'll go in that position. So this video will be very helpful for putting this back together. The gun case on top, that's just separate. That'll just be moved. Okay, so let's remove all the doors. And then also I noticed the screws are in here too. And I got a screw gun so I can start pulling them out pretty fast, I think. Okay, let's get this apart. Let's get it down to easier carrying. You're still going to have that full top piece, and then hopefully we get it down so that bottom piece, because this will also help give us options for putting it in the truck, because it's a wide one. That's not going to lay down in a truck bed. At least not my truck, that's for sure. I don't think it'll lay down in any truck bed. So that's going to have to be at an angle. And then maybe the doors are going to have to be wrapped and slid underneath is what I'm envisioning. And that maybe can go towards the back or something. Okay, let's get it ready for moving. And we'll be prepared when Jordan gets here.